So today we're talking about contacts and context. They're two similar, unrelated, different but connected things. So contacts can be anybody in your database, anybody in your phone, whether it's the exterminator that you use on your rental properties, whether it's the roofer that you use to patch your roof, whether it's your mechanic, the person that cuts your hair, past clients, friends, folks from your place of worship, whatever it might be. They're all contacts, but putting them in a context where your conversations with them regarding real estate and the market we're in today are appropriate is the basis of today's conversation. You see, it's very easy to pick up the phone and say, hey, this is John, I'm just checking in, wanted to see how you and your family are doing. That's great, and that's step one. If you can find a step two transition that has context to it, for instance, if you're talking to your roofer, hey, this long stretch of dry weather has to be great for your business. How are you doing? Like, that's a great step two. That also then gets them responding to you and creates some dialogue. And then from there, there's almost always that principle of reciprocation where that person's going to say back to you, so how's the real estate business, John? In which case you can say, well, the market is really unusual. It's a time for professionals. It's a time where you have to know your numbers. You have to know the market. You have to understand what's going on in the marketplace so that you can help clients to the best of your ability given the dynamics of the market. That's step three. At that point, you can also ask another question. You can go to step four and say, so if you don't mind, do you know anyone that's thinking of buying and selling right now? The market is so unusual, but I'm really trained up and I'd be happy to assist. You might be surprised where that Q4, question 4 takes you because you set up the context with the contact for the conversation. Thanks for being here. Make it a great week and go make some contacts.